And that's what happened to me when I was beginning of my college days as an undergrad. I came across these arguments and these doubts people make about Islam. And I, for myself, not being able to respond to them was not something I could accept. So, some people say just ignore them and you have yaqeen and you have certainty. I'm not that kind of person in that I had certainty, but if there's something that I can't respond to, or there's an argument I don't know how to refute, then it's going to eat at me. And so I would spend maybe 20 plus hours a day, maybe not even exaggerating, on the computer trying to find answers by previous scholars and previous experts responding to these doubts. And it was so much so that I know my parents, they feared for my eyes. I think I started wearing glasses, and they would hide the laptops and computers from me because enough is enough. You're harming yourself. But if there's anything, and the more you research, then you come across more things people have said, and so that path never ends.